Okay, this video is going to do a couple examples from 1.3G, the segment addition postulate. Let's start with problem B. Problem number 1B. So we want to find the length of BC. That's where the question mark's at. And we know that the whole thing from A to C is 25, and from A to B it's 19. So if we subtract 19 from 25, should leave us with this remaining piece. 25 minus 19 equals question mark. And 25 minus 19 is 6. So the question mark is just got a length of 6. Down to problem 2. Let's read the information in the diagram of collinear points. PT, the length of this whole segment, is 20. QS, the length of this piece of the segment, is 6. And then all the small segments, P to Q, Q to R, and R to S, are the same. Let's find each length. Let's find out what RS is. We'll do B. We know that Q to S is 6, and then QR has to be the same as RS, so if we take 6 divided by 2, which is 3, that's going to give us the length of that mini segment and this mini segment. So we know that RS has to be 3. We also know that QR is 3. And even from there, because we know PQ has to be the same as QR, which is the same as RS, PQ has to be 3. Then from there you can find out the remaining pieces. Let's skip to the back side. We'll do one more example. Let's look at A, 4A. So it tells us that segment HJ is 5x, segment JK is 7x, and segment KH is 96. Let's just draw that out. It wants us to solve for x and then find the length of each segment. So let's say that this is point H, this is point J, and then this is point K. So HJ is 5x, JK is 7x, and the whole thing is 96. As you can see, HJ is part of the whole thing, JK is the other part of the whole thing. So if we were to add those together, they have to equal 96. So we have 5x plus 7x equals 96. Combine your like terms. 5x plus 7x is 12x. So 12x equals 96. Divide both sides by 12 and we get x equals 8. So now we've solved for x. So now to find the length of each segment, we plug it back in. Zoom in a little bit. Plug in 8 for x. So for HJ we get 5 times 8, which is 40. And for JK we get 7 times 8, which is 56. And I hope those examples helped and get you a good start on this worksheet.